Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best non-alcoholic red wine is probably one of the most exciting developments in the beverage world, offering a sophisticated alternative for those who appreciate the taste of wine but prefer to avoid alcohol. This video will explore the best options available, helping you navigate the growing market of non-alcoholic red wines and find the perfect bottle to suit your taste and lifestyle. Number 5. Sutter Home FRE Merlot Non-Alcoholic Wine Bundle. This bundle offers a non-alcoholic Merlot from Sutter Home. It's perfect for those who enjoy the taste of wine without the alcohol. It's a great alternative for any occasion. The wine has a velvety and smooth texture. It provides a full, rich finish that will satisfy your taste buds. You'll love the overall experience. With less than 70 calories, it's a lighter option compared to traditional wine or soda. This makes it a smart choice if you're watching your calorie intake. It's a guilt-free pleasure. This bundle comes with a pop socket for your convenience. It also includes seasonal wine pairings and recipes. Enjoy the added value. Whether it's a party or a quiet evening, this wine is a great choice. It provides a sophisticated taste without the alcohol content. Try it today. What we like. This wine offers a velvety and smooth experience. It's also low in calories, making it a healthier choice. If you're looking for a delicious, guilt-free option to enjoy during a meal or a relaxing evening, you should consider this. What people say. The taste is very good. It is a great non-alcoholic option. This is a great product. Number 4. Ariel Cabernet Wine Bundle with Pop Socket and Recipes. This bundle is perfect for those who enjoy the taste of red wine but prefer a non-alcoholic option. It includes everything you need for a delightful experience, from the wine itself to some fun accessories. The star of the show is the Ariel Cabernet. It offers a rich and complex flavor profile, without any alcohol. Enjoy the taste of a classic Cabernet, guilt-free. This bundle also comes with a stylish ChromaCast pop socket. It's a handy accessory that can be attached to your phone, making it easier to hold and use. It's a fun and practical addition to the bundle. To enhance your experience, we've included seasonal wine pairings and recipes. They will guide you on how to best enjoy the wine with delicious food. It's a complete package for a perfect evening. You'll receive a 6-pack of the Ariel Cabernet. This ensures you have plenty to share with friends or enjoy over multiple occasions. It's a great value for a premium non-alcoholic wine experience. What we like. This product is aged in small oak barrels, which adds a unique depth of flavor. The gentle cold filtration process removes almost all of the alcohol. If you are looking for a non-alcoholic wine with a complex flavor profile and a traditional winemaking process, you should consider this. What people say. Really enjoyed this Cabernet, and also the Chardonnay. Nice flavor, lower in calories, makes a nice wine spritzer with carbonated water too. So tasty, tastes similar to some without the alcohol. Great for those trying to cut alcohol out their diet but still get the taste of wine. Number 3. Sutter Home FRE Red Blend Non-Alcoholic Wine Bundle. This is a non-alcoholic red wine that offers a rich and smooth taste. It's packed with bright fruit flavors and a subtle smokiness, leaving a pleasant finish. It's a great alternative for those who want to enjoy a glass of wine without the alcohol. With less than 0.2% alcohol, this wine is a perfect choice for any occasion. You can enjoy it without any worries. It's a refreshing and flavorful beverage. This wine has only 70 calories, which is less than half the calories of soda and traditional wine. It's a guilt-free treat that you can enjoy anytime. It's a smart choice for those watching their calorie intake. This bundle comes with a pop socket to make your life easier. It's a convenient accessory that can be used on your phone. It's a great addition to this already amazing product. You'll also receive seasonal wine pairings and recipes to enhance your experience. They provide suggestions on what foods to pair with this wine. It's a complete package for a delightful experience. What we like. This wine boasts rich fruit flavors with a hint of smokiness. It offers a lingering finish that will leave you wanting more. If you like a red blend with a complex taste and a satisfying finish, you should consider this. What people say. This smells and looks like wine. The flavor is unique and I like it. FRE gives me the opportunity to enjoy a nice glass of wine with a weeknight dinner without feeling tired afterward. I'll keep ordering. Number 2. Ariel Cabernet Non-Alcoholic Red Wine Bundle 4-Pack. Introducing the Ariel Cabernet, a non-alcoholic red wine. It's crafted for those who appreciate the taste of wine without the alcohol. Enjoy the rich flavors and aromas. This wine is aged in small oak barrels, which enhances its flavor profile. This process gives it a unique depth and complexity. You'll notice the difference in every sip. Through a gentle cold filtration process, 99.5% of the alcohol is removed. This ensures you get the authentic taste of Cabernet without the effects of alcohol. It's a perfect choice for any occasion. Each bottle contains 750 milliliters of this exquisite non-alcoholic wine. It's perfect for sharing with friends or enjoying on your own. It's a generous size for any gathering. Explore our seasonal wine and food recipes. They offer great ideas for food pairings. You can elevate your dining experience with these suggestions. Also included is a Chromacast pop socket. It makes texting easier and pictures steadier. It also works as a stand to watch videos. What we like. This product is aged in small oak barrels, which adds a unique depth of flavor. The gentle cold filtration process removes almost all of the alcohol. If you are looking for a non-alcoholic wine with a complex flavor profile and a traditional winemaking process, you should consider this. What people say. This is the only one that tastes like red. It does have a little mouth feel to it. The wine is very good. It tastes just like Cabernet. Number 1. Sutter Home FRE Merlot Non-Alcoholic Wine Bundle. Looking for a sophisticated drink without the alcohol? This Merlot offers a velvety and smooth experience. It has a full, rich finish that you'll love. This wine is ideal for those who are looking for a non-alcoholic option. It contains less than 0.5% alcohol, so you can enjoy it anytime. Worried about calories? This wine has only 70 calories, which is less than half the calories of soda and traditional wine. It's a guilt-free pleasure. This bundle comes with a Chromacast pop socket. It's a handy accessory to help you hold your phone more securely. You'll also receive seasonal wine pairings and recipes. They will help you discover new ways to enjoy this delightful wine. With 22 g of carbohydrates and 20% juice, this wine delivers a satisfying taste. It's a perfect choice for any occasion. What we like. This wine offers a velvety and smooth experience. It's also low in calories, making it a healthier choice. If you're looking for a delicious, guilt-free option to enjoy during a meal or a relaxing evening, you should consider this. What people say. My husband used to love red wine. Now that he doesn't drink alcohol, he loves the quality of this non-alcoholic wine. I love the red bend and the Merlot. I noticed the Merlot has 19% juice content per back of the bottle. Doesn't taste like a juice version though. This is alcohol removed versus non-alcoholic. That way it's actual wine and not just juice from the wine variety of grapes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.